It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited SLE. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel is trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with a park brake just below, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a cloth interior, and that center console opens up into an additional seat. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped steering wheel. The left side has the cruise control buttons, and on the right we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, some interior light buttons and OnStar. Up next is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. We also have our shortcut buttons down below, and the screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right here, we have hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control. This button here rolls all four windows down at the same time. We also have some USB ports and a power plug-in. To the right of the steering wheel is the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the truck. At the front of the Sierra, there are black tow hooks, those signature C-shaped headlamps, 18-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have chrome mirror caps, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. 4x4 remote start and the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps are found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. We're going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's MultiPro tailgate step, so by pushing two additional buttons, we're able to drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger truck. The passenger door has a chrome door handle, power windows, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of the center console has the dual fans, dual USB ports, all-weather floor mats on the floor, and we're able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited SLE, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.